how to use accuracy in Fire Kirin. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use accuracy and be more accurate in the game. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm already inside the game. Here on the left bottom, this is my shooting range. Now in order to have a perfect accuracy, you must just aim towards the place where you want to shoot easily. So it's better first you try shooting small fishes, and later you can easily pop up different big fishes too. So big fishes have different big rewards, whereas small have small rewards too. Here you can see different whales and other fishes that you can easily target on. Now as you can see, the point you can accumulate by just making the accuracy tight. Here you can see different players will be able to collect different booster from the game also. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.